Hey traders, May is here and it's packed with high-impact events that could shake up forex, stocks, and commodities. If you're looking for volatility, these are the key dates you don't want to miss. Let's get into it. We start strong on May 2nd. At 4 p.m. UTC, we get the US Manufacturing PMI. Watch the USD, gold, and equity markets. On May 3rd, the spotlight's on the US non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. That drops at 2:30 UTC. Strong jobs data could push the dollar up, while weak numbers might bring back rate cuts expectations. After a calm weekend, we are back on May 6th at 4 p.m. UTC with the US Services PMI, another important read for anyone tracking the Fed. Then comes the big one, May 8th, 8 p.m. UTC. It's the Fed's rate decision. Markets will move no matter the outcome. Expect big swings in the dollar, gold, crypto, and stocks. Next up is May 9th, with the Bank of England rate decision at 1 p.m. UTC. This one's key for pound pairs and the FTSE 100. Don't sleep on May 10th either. At 5 UTC, we get China's trade balance and export-import data. It can move everything from AUD and CNH to copper and oil. On May 14th, there's a double whammy. UK unemployment lands at 8 UTC. Then at 2:30 UTC, the US releases its inflation numbers, headline and core. These are major market movers. May 16th, bring more heat. At 2:30 UTC, the US drops its PPI and Retail Sales reports. Expect more clues on inflation and more price action. We head into the second half of the month with China back in focus. On May 20th at 4 p.m. UTC, we get their industrial production and retail sales. Slow growth could hurt AUD and risk sentiment. On May 21st, early birds will catch the RBA's rate decision at 6:30 UTC. AUD pairs could move fast. Later that day, at 2:30 UTC, we get Canada's inflation data, a big one for CAD traders. May 22nd kicks off with Japan's trade data at 1:50, followed by UK inflation numbers at 8. Both can send JPY and British pound swinging. On May 23rd at 10 UTC, watch for Germany's IFO business climate. It's a key sentiment read for the Euro and DAX. May 24 starts with Japan's inflation at 1:30, then UK retail sales at 8. Plenty of action expected in JPY and British pound pairs. On May 29, it's time for deeper Fed insights. The FOMC minutes drop at 8 p.m. UTC. Traders will read between the lines for any rate clues. Watch the USD, stocks, and bonds. And we wrap it up on May 31st. At 2 p.m. UTC, we get Germany's preliminary inflation, followed by the US core PCE at 2:30 UTC, the Fed's favorite inflation metric. This could bring some serious end-of-month volatility. That's May, packed with key events from start to finish. Mark the date, stay sharp, and let the data guide your trade. See you next time, and don't forget to accelerate your trading success with Fintokei.